Okay. You hear me?
Okay.
You hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Reading a book. And where is Cherry? Cherry. You see the book now?
Yes.
Okay, Cherry. Okay, listen. Today we study 6 consonant. Now we practice reading small word, word by word with small sentence, not big sentence, okay? Okay. Some word you cannot read, but don't worry. You repeat that you remember, okay? บทที่1 This is the book 1 for reading บทที่1บท mean chapter yeah chapter this is chapter 1 or lesson 1 unit 1 same unit 1 chapter 1 or unit 1 okay you say บทที่1บทที่1 yeah บทที่1 okay next okay listen yeah now I am recording you can review okay after money money the name of this girl her name money okay money moneyมีตามี mean have ตา mean eye money มีตา meaning money has eyes you know eye ตา mean eye okay ตา you have 2 eyes okay eye ตา meaning here mean eye okay money มีตาyeah money มีตาyeah again I show you again money มีตา yeah money มีตา me mean have money have eyes okay money มีตา okay next below กอไก่ today we study already the first consonant กอไก่กาสระอากอไก่สระอากา this bird blackbird or the crow or blackbird we say กา okay this bird we say กา mean the blackbird or the crow yeah we say กมีตากามีตากา mean the crow or the blackbird has eye meaning okay has eye okay I show you again and after you do okay you read for me okay money มีตากามีตา okay who want to show first Cherry or Sanju
Yes.
yeah
You correct now?
next
Kamita.
yeah Kamita you can talk about you Sanju มีตา
Yes.
Cherry มีตา yeah มีตา me what's it mean me
means he have
yeah have ตา but ตา two meaning you know meaning here mean eye in another meaning ตา mean grandfather grandfather we say ตา okay grandfather another meaning ตา okay Sanju your son show read for me Sanju
Mommy.
Sanju you read read
Yes.
okay read or your son read you read or your son read okay in Thai we say อ่าน
Kamita.
อ่าน mean read you remember read mean
Yes.
อ่าน mean read go read okay read okay now we read together everyone read together okay moneyมีตา
Manita.
yes กามีตา
Kamita.
okay you have any question money what mean money what the meaning money
Mani name, girl name.
yeah the girl name yeah ตา what mean ตา
Ta means
eyes yeah me have okay we go down
me as.
yeah okay go okay next you see
Yes.
Ah.มีตา
Amita.
mean uncle
Means uncle.
Amita this man he is the uncle of money uncle okay Amita clear Amita yeah next we study more now you see the sentence barefoot mean exercise you see the word barefoot exercise yeah exercise okay how you read this word you see ตา mean eye ตา mean eye yeah ตา next มา mean come you go and come meaning here come
Yes, sir.
mean มา okay
Ma.
yes next นา mean the right field you know right field the farmer go to work in the right field you know right field yeah right paddy right field we say นา the farmer work there we say นา okay นา มา ตา มา นา okay ตา มา นา okay we say only the short word okay long word we don't read okay next go down okay go down okay a few minutes okay you see okay go back what you read to this word how you read me mean have me MWD me next D mean good okay D mean good okay good D good next T ตีตี mean hit or punish teacher punish student or mother punish the boy the son okay ตี hit
D
ตี this word ตี D me yes มีดีตี okay who want to show me read for me how you pronounce this
Me.
word me yes
D.
yes D next
T
ตี
Ni.
ตี
B. B. B.
ตี this word ตีต่อเต่าตี you don't study this letter but now
Okay.
you read okay มีดีตี okay some word is a repeat because you can remember repeat okay
T
yeah ตาดี
H
นา ดี ตา ดี นา ดี ตาดีนาดี มานีมีตา มานีมีตา
Me
ตามีนา กา มานา ตามานา ตามีนาดี อามานา I recording but you can review after no problem okay I show again don't worry okay I show again มี
T
ดี ตี ตา ดี นา ดี มานี มีตา ตา มีนา กา มานา ตา มานา ตา มีนาดี อา มานา you can read who want to show me อ่าน mean read okay who can show me start here me
Ma.
me
Me.
มี
ตาดีมา
ฮะ
ตามีมานี่มีตา มา
okay first day no problem first day you cannot remember okay now you need to know
ตามีนา
yeah I think today enough but every day language you need to study every day learning okay
yes
about 9 o'clock I teach but it's a high level but you can listen
Okay.
9 o'clock I teach Pakistan lady but she study for 2 years she can speak Thai she study at high level 9 o'clock if you want to listen you can
Okay.
today every day 9 o'clock this line ID about 5 minutes I upload a video we are learning today to lie You can follow two
Okay,
video.
Ajahn.
Okay? Enough for today.
Okay.
Okay, Ajahn.
Enough for
Yes,
Enough.
today.
Ajahn.
Tomorrow,
Yes,
7
Ajahn.
o'clock, you come to the class. Don't pay money. I am happy to teach. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay? Don't worry.
Okay,
One hour
okay,
a
Ajahn.
day. 1 hour a day every day. Okay? Okay,
Okay,
okay.
Ajahn.
See you. See you. Thank you
See
for
you. See
learning.
you next class.
Okay, see you. See you.
Thank you. Thank you
Okay,
very much,
see you. See you.
Ajahn.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you.